basic vinyl application. First we'll do just a regular dry application, then we'll do a wet application. Wet application usually helpful if you're doing multiple colors, layering colors, or maybe putting on larger decals with a clear background, something like that where you're worried about a lot of bubbling. Okay, we've got our graphic taped into place here. I've taped a hinge across the center here. That helps with larger pieces. You can break it into 2 sections. You don't have to do it all at once. So what we'll do is we'll peel this down away from the glass. Make sure our glass is clean. We'll just take the paper backing back here. Go ahead and grab some scissors, trim off that paper backing. Okay, now we're ready to apply. Actually, I'm going to wipe this down. Okay, wiping down the window with a diluted rubbing alcohol solution. It's usually like 1 part alcohol to 8 to 10 parts water, something like that. Just to cut the grease and get any dust off the glass, and then we're ready to apply. Got a basic squeegee here. If you don't have one of these on hand, you can pull a credit card out of your wallet, something like that, just something with a flat edge to it. We're going to start at the bottom where our hinge is. We're going to start in the center. We're just going to kind of push up and out, back and forth as we go up, just to make sure the air is going to the outside. Go back and forth like that. Should do it for our top section. Take our tape off. Remove our paper on the bottom. All your vinyl sticks on the tape. And same process. We're going to start right in the middle. Work it back and forth. Kind of pushing down and out. There you have it. We're going to take the tape off. Just the application tape layer that holds the graphic together until you get it on the window. Once you have it on the window, this comes off and just leaves your first layer of vinyl.